Hey everyone! Looking for the best concrete mixer to handle your construction or DIY projects efficiently? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing concrete mixers of the year, considering capacity, durability, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. BILT HARD Cement Mixer. The BILT HARD Cement Mixer with a poly drum offers a practical solution for those seeking durability, portability, and ease of cleaning. Its 500-watt motor delivers 1,680 rotations per minute and operates the drum at 24 rotations per minute for effective blending of stucco, mortar, and concrete. With a 4 cubic feet drum capacity and 2.3 cubic feet mixing capacity, it is ideal for medium-sized batches. The poly drum resists dents, cracks, and rust, while its smooth surface makes cleaning quick and effortless. The steel frame, coated with a protective powder finish, enhances strength and long-term reliability. Portability is a strong point, with 10-inch flat-free tires that require no maintenance. The all-steel stand ensures stability during operation and simplifies handling when adjusting the drum. This mixer is not only suitable for construction work, but also handles agricultural tasks with ease. Its user-friendly assembly process, supported by a clear manual, ensures you can get started quickly. For those wanting a low-maintenance, versatile mixer that will last for years. Number 4. Cimcame Concrete Mixer. Designed for high-capacity jobs, this 6.4 cubic feet electric concrete mixer delivers exceptional mixing power and large batch capabilities. Its 800-watt copper motor, producing 1 horsepower at 2,800 rotations per minute, ensures thorough mixing for both construction and agricultural uses. The drum holds a gross volume of 160 liters, with a wet mix capacity of 110 liters, making it ideal for medium to large-scale projects. Whether you are working on foundations, driveways, or larger masonry jobs, this mixer handles substantial workloads efficiently. Number 3. BSMTEK Electric Concrete Mixer. The BSMTEK Electric Concrete Mixer offers an excellent balance of power, capacity, and affordability, making it a strong choice for smaller-scale construction and DIY projects. With a 3/5 horsepower copper motor delivering 450 watts of power, it can mix concrete, mortar, plaster, and even agricultural materials like seeds or feed with ease. Its 4.3 cubic feet drum capacity allows for sizable batches, significantly improving work efficiency. Built from high-strength steel with a powder-coated finish, the mixer resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long service life. The triangular support structure further enhances stability, even when mixing heavy loads. Compact yet capable, this mixer features 2 7-inch solid rubber wheels for easy mobility. The drum's 360-degree rotation ensures uniform blending without dead spots. Number 2. Mixer MMXR-3221 Heavy-Duty Portable Multi-Use Mixer. The Mixer MMXR-3221 is engineered for professionals who need maximum output and versatility on demanding job sites. Its standout feature is the adjustable water dial, allowing you to precisely control the moisture content of your mix for concrete, mortar, or stucco. This ensures consistent results batch after batch. Built from 14-gauge high-strength steel, the mixer is exceptionally durable and able to withstand rough handling and tough site conditions. Its heavy-duty construction is paired with a thoughtful design that prioritizes operator convenience. The 35-inch standover height eliminates the need to lift heavy bags above shoulder level, reducing strain and speeding up the mixing process. A built-in bag opener and powerful electric drivetrain make it possible to process up to 40 bags per hour. Number 1. BILT HARD 550-watt Electric Cement Mixer. The BILT HARD Electric Cement Mixer stands out as the top pick for its combination of power, durability, and ease of use. Equipped with a robust 550-watt motor operating at 1,750 rotations per minute, this mixer can tackle concrete, mortar, and stucco with consistent performance. It also offers a drum speed of 26.7 rotations per minute, ensuring even and thorough mixing. with a 4 cubic feet capacity, approximately 113 liters. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.